Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Pinterest app. At the moment I'm using iPhone, but it's perfectly doable on every single device. As you can see, there is my homepage, but we want to go to saved, let's say, and it's on the bottom right corner. But on our top right corner there is this hexagon icon that we want to press, and there are settings for our account. We want to go to edit profile, and as you can see there is your name. Now you can change it all you want, for example as my name and the first name of my surname, and we press done. As you can see, the profile is updated. It may take a while for Pinterest to actually update it. Depends how busy their servers are. For example, at my photo it took a few moments. But that's it. It's basically very easy. You can manage a lot of things here. And as you can see, everyone can do that. I hope you find it helpful, and thanks for watching. See you in the next